Listen to this. Today's idioms are so simple. You can use them in real life without thinking. If you want natural English, don't skip. Every idiom today is shorter, easier, and more useful than the previous one. Let's start. Idiom 1. I'm serious. Meaning, I really mean it. Example, I'm serious. Stop laughing. Example, steady now. I'm serious. Idiom 2. I get it. Meaning, I understand. Example, don't explain more. I get it. Example, she listened and said, I get it. Idiom 3. Good move. Meaning, good decision. Example, you quit sugar. Good move. Example, saving money. Good move. Idiom 4. Too funny. Meaning, very funny. Example, his joke was too funny. Example, the meme was too funny. Idiom 5. Big moment. Meaning, important event. Example, the result was a big moment. Example, meeting her was a big moment. Idiom 6. Close enough. Meaning, not perfect, but okay. Example, the drawing was close enough. Example, his guess was close enough. Idiom 7. You got it. Meaning, yes, okay, understood. Example, bring water. You got it. Example, send the file. You got it. Idiom 8. Day by day. Meaning, slowly improving. Example, she got better day by day. Example, his English improved day by day. Idiom 9. I'm proud. Meaning, I feel good about you. Example, you studied hard. I'm proud. Example, you tried. I'm proud. Idiom 10. Worth a try. Meaning, not sure, but try. Example, apply for the job. Worth a try. Example, call again. Worth a try. Idiom 11. Smart choice. Meaning, good option. Example, healthy food. Smart choice. Example, saving money. Smart choice. Idiom 12. You decide. Meaning, choice is yours. Example, dinner. You decide. Example, movie. You decide. Idiom 13. One more time. Meaning, again. Example, he tried one more time. Example, she read it one more time. Idiom 14. Be patient. Meaning, don't hurry. Example, wait. Be patient. Example, learning takes time. Be patient. Idiom 15. That's enough. Meaning, stop now. Example, too much noise. That's enough. Example, that's enough talking. Idiom 16. No turning back. Meaning, no and do. Example, after quitting, no turning back. Example, after signing, no turning back. Idiom 17. That's life. Meaning, life is like that. Example, he failed again. That's life. Example, she moved on. That's life. Idiom 18. You nailed it. Meaning, you did it perfectly. Example, she cooked well. You nailed it. If you watched till here, you already proved one thing. You care about improving your English. And small idioms like these make your English sound natural, without grammar and without pressure. Now one small request. Before you go, write one idiom from today's video in the comments. It's a tiny action, but when you type an idiom, your brain remembers it longer. And if you're new here, subscribe to EnglishAbhiyadav. And if you already subscribed, please like and comment. Because when you interact, YouTube shows the video to more English learners like you, so we all grow together. See you tomorrow!